Okay, this is key fob I just got off Amazon. Since the last owner. Basically just taped up the key fob, replaced the battery, but anyhow, not very neatly. I just did one, so that was the first one. Comes with a little piece of tape, electrical tape over the emblem. So once you get it apart, which I don't know, I didn't have to take it apart. All it was a matter of cutting the masking tape. But some of you could take it apart. It's a little different than just replacing the battery. The battery is just the back cover. And the back cover just snaps in and out like that. There's a little tab. All right. There, that you would push on, pop that up, and the back cover comes off. Just a regular flat bait screwdriver slid down in that hole right there. It'll pop that back cover off if you just need to replace the battery. If you want to replace the whole case like I'm doing, yeah, you just take it apart. This should pop off here. Yeah. That's all there is to this one. And basically just get the grooves lined up, snap the back cover on. Or the front cover, rather. And that spring goes in that hole right there. I need 2 hands to do this.